Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day here for MRNA as the downtrend here continues, and certainly some updates need to be done. First thing before anything else, I'm going to do a little house cleaning here, get rid of a couple of these annotations. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted consolidation and then movement back to the upside, that 143 mark is, where the question mark now resides, in the sense of, okay, that's great that the prices bounce up to that level, but can the price actually build upon the bounce and, garner up enough strength to be able to break above that level and stay up above it? Because, nothing's guaranteed, but even if the price bounces back up to that level, it would still be more than valid to think, this might just be a dead cat bounce. Now, just because the price breaks above 143 doesn't mean that for sure it's not a dead cat bounce. But like I said, as long as the price is below that 143 mark, it remains very rational, very plausible to think that any sort of upwards movement very well just may be some sort of, fake movement to the upside. But if the price can break above there, that would be definitely a good thing for confidence. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, the level that I'm, myself and I'm sure plenty of other traders are going to be watching tomorrow is going to be right there at that 136 mark. So 136 is going to be that near-term level. If that level is broken, the next key levels of support to keep an eye on going forward would then be down there right around that level around, let's see, what is that? The $130 mark. So keep your eye on those levels of support. But as of right now, the pullback continues, but still a couple days left this week. So let's see how this one continues to play out and see if it can get itself turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.